So I'm gonna start this with two lists, list A and list B, and then I just display the contents of list A and list B. So this is what I have for list A, 3 strings, and list B, 3 integers. I'm gonna append the contents of list B into list A. So I'm gonna put list A dot append list B. And now if I display both of them again, I'm gonna see that after the append, list A is now bigger because it has the list B here, and list A is the same size. Now, the problem is if I change something on list B, let's say I'm gonna get list B and I'm gonna remove all the items from list B. And then after that, I'm gonna display the contents again. So I'm gonna run again, and after the clear, the contents of list B are gone. However, the contents right here on index number 3 are also gone. So this is what's called a shallow copy. So when you append the list B to the list A on this way, you are doing what's called the shallow copy. So what you're doing, you're not actually adding the elements, you're just adding the address to the list B. So you think you have all the values, but you don't. You just have an address to the value. So therefore, whenever you clear the values from the list B, then it will also affect the list A. Now, to solve the problem, we need to change from shallow copy to deep copy. And to solve this, I'm just going to put dot copy right here. And this returns the actual value of the list B. It will not return the address of the contents of list B. You return the actual values that's on the list B. So now, even if I clear the list B, list A will still show all the contents that you appended. So now you can see here that list B is cleared, but list A is still there with its own elements even after the clear. So you're gonna see this kind of thing happening very often whenever you're working with entire lists, whenever you're working with objects. So pay close attention to shallow versus deep copy of elements, especially when you're copying the entire list or entire objects. Alright, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.